Let me show you. I'm logged in with my official email ID, and you can also create it by using this step. You can see praveen@shoptai.co.uk. So I want to create my work email associated with my domain, but I do not have any paid web hosting. Do not need to worry at all. You can use Zoho, which is free of cost. So first of all, you need to go to your domain registrar. So I have registered my domain with Cloudflare. So after that, you need to go to the MX record of your Cloudflare. So these are the MX records. You need to add your MX record. Click on add record. So first of all, you need to select here MS record. Type in @ in name. Email server 1 should be this MX Zoho. Priority should be 10 and TTL should be auto. Now click on save. Again click on add record. Again select MX. Name should be @ mail server 2 should be mx2.z. Range priority should be 20 and click on save. Again click on add record. Select MX. It should be @ mail server should be mx3. Priority should be 50. TTL should be auto in everyone. Click on save. Now you need to open zoho.com/mail and you need to log in here. Click on sign in. After that, you need to log into your Zoho account. This is the mail.zoho.in. So whatever country is, you need to log in to the Zoho account. After that, you need to click on a profile picture and you can say enable mail hosting. Just tap on this enable mail hosting. After that, you need to select any of the plan of Zoho, or you can start 15 days trial as well. And you need to set up your domain, emails, everything. It is very easy. The main part was MX record. So you can add your existing domain here. So this was my domain. You can enter your organization, select your industry type, click on add now. So you can proceed with the domain verification, verify your domain ownership, log in your DNS or configure manually. So log in my DNS. So it will ask you to log into your Cloudflare. So log into your Cloudflare. So in admin console, you can see now one domain is added. It's not yet approved. Just approve it once again. Log into my DNS. Click on authorize. It is verifying. So you can see your DNS details are pointed, but they are not propagated yet. So it will take few hours to complete the propagation. You may have to wait for 30 minutes. You need to wait for some time. Within 30 minutes or 1 hour it is done. So after 1 hour, my domain status is now live. Everything is working fine now. So now you can see my domain is verified. You can see status is verified, and I have using this trial version as of now for this website shoptai.co.uk. So I need to proceed to set up, complete these steps. I need create new IDs, proceed to set up groups, proceed to DNS mapping, proceed to email migration. Go to mobile and complete the setup. Your setup is complete. Now you are ready to begin your journey with. I can go to the admin console. It is now completed. I need to create now users now. Related to my domain, I need to create ad. I need to give a name. So I need to create a username here, and I need to enter password. It should be user or administrator. So let it be user. Click on add. So click on done. So this user is added. So let me log into Zoho Mail. So on Google, let me open Zoho Mail and see whether my newly created email ID is working or not. So let me log into my Zoho Mail. Click on this sign in button at the top and log into my newly created domain-related email. So let me enter my newly created email ID, my password. So it will ask me to change my password. Click on set password. Go to sign in page. Access your account. I am logging to my now email related account. This is my personal email related account, and this is free. I have not paid anything to Zoho. You can see my mailbox is now opening up properly. You can see I have received a welcome email from my email ID. Let me show you. I am logged in with my official email ID, and you can also create it by using this step. You can see praveen@shoptai.co.uk. So I hope friends, now you will be able to do it. In case you face any problems, you can mention it in the comment section. I'll make sure to give you a reply. And if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.